Welcome to Road to Ownership. Today, we're going to further our knowledge in real estate as we tackle the topic. First-time home buyers guide. 10 steps to your dream home. Picture this, walking into a house and knowing it's yours. Feels great, doesn't it? But the journey to that moment can be intimidating. That's why we've broken it down into 10 manageable steps. Before we delve into these steps, take a second to hit the subscribe button. Your support is greatly appreciated. To start off, it's essential to understand what you can afford. Home ownership isn't just about the price tag on a house. It's about understanding your personal finances and their long-term implications. It's about realizing how much of a mortgage you can comfortably shoulder and how that mortgage will shape your lifestyle. It's about considering interest rates, down payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. But before you even step into this vast financial landscape, getting pre-approved for a loan is a smart move. This not only gives you a realistic picture of your buying power, but also enhances your credibility in the eyes of sellers. Remember, it's not just about the mortgage payment. Consider all costs associated with home ownership. Next, identify the right location for your dream home. Now, this isn't just about the view from your window, although that's a nice perk. It's about the community, the commute, the conveniences. There are a few key factors to consider. First, think about your daily commute. How far are you willing to travel for work, and how will you get there? If you rely on public transportation, check the routes and schedules. Next, consider the schools. Even if you don't have children, the quality of local schools can impact your home's value. Also, take into account the proximity to amenities. How close is the nearest grocery store, hospital, or park? Lastly, research the neighborhood. Look at crime rates, future development plans, and even chat with potential neighbors if you can. Remember, you're not just buying a house, you're joining a community. Choosing the right location can greatly influence your quality of life and the home's future value. Once you've identified a location, start prioritizing your needs. Consider the essential features you desire in your future home. How many bedrooms will you require? Is a backyard important for your family gatherings or your pets? Perhaps a home office is a necessity for your work from home setup. These are the practical aspects to think about. It's a balancing act between your budget and your ideal home. Remember, it's crucial to distinguish between your needs and wants. With your priorities set, it's time to hire a real estate agent. This professional is your guide in the real estate jungle, showing you the path to listings that match your needs and budget. They're experts in the local market, providing valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions. Furthermore, they're skilled negotiators, ensuring you get the best possible deal on your dream home. Remember, in the world of real estate, knowledge is power, and your agent is your power source. A good agent can make the home buying process smoother and less stressful. Now let's start the exciting part, house hunting. This is your moment to explore the possibilities. It's like embarking on a treasure hunt where the treasure is your future home. When beginning your search, it's essential to keep an open mind. Attend as many open houses as possible. These events are a fantastic opportunity to get a feel for the market, understand pricing in your desired area, and discover what you love and loathe in a home. Don't just see a home for what it is, but for what it could be. That worn-out property might just need a little touch of love to transform into your dream home. Imagine the potential every house holds, especially the older ones. They carry a charm that newer houses often lack. Remember, this is not just about finding a house. It's about finding a place you can call home. Keep an open mind during this process. Your dream home may come in an unexpected package. Once you've found your dream home, it's time to make an offer. This can feel like a high-stakes poker game, but remember, it's all about creating a win-win situation for both you and the seller. Start by understanding the market condition and pricing your offer competitively. Don't shy away from negotiating terms, but be respectful and realistic. Remember, there's more to an offer than just price. Consider contingencies, closing costs, and timelines. Negotiations can be tough, but with patience and resilience, you'll be able to secure your dream home. After your offer is accepted, conduct a home inspection. This crucial step allows you to peek behind the curtains, ensuring that your dream home isn't hiding any nightmares. You're not just looking for cosmetic issues here. You want to uncover potential structural problems, plumbing or electrical issues, or any other red flags. Engage a professional inspector to guide you through this process. Remember, knowledge is power. A thorough inspection can save you from costly surprises down the road. With a successful inspection, you're ready to close the deal. This is the moment where all your careful planning and patient waiting comes to fruition. But before you can call the house your own, there are a few final steps to take. First, you'll need to finalize your mortgage. This means ensuring your lender has all the necessary information and documents to process your loan. This can be a bit of a process, so patience is key. Next, you'll need to understand your closing costs. These are fees and expenses that you'll have to pay at the end of your real estate transaction. They can include things like title insurance, appraisal fees, and more. Your lender will provide you with a detailed list of these costs before closing. Finally, you'll be signing the paperwork. With a few strokes of a pen, you'll be committing to your new home and all the joy, challenges, and memories it will bring. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. And there you have it, 10 steps to buying your first home. Let's recap. Start by understanding what you can afford. Then identify the right location for you and prioritize your needs. Remember, hiring a real estate agent can make this process smoother. Once you've found a property that ticks all your boxes, it's time to make an offer. Don't forget to arrange a home inspection before sealing the deal. Buying a home is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, thoroughness, and a good deal of research. But with these 10 steps, you're well on your way to owning your dream home. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comments section. Thank you.